So in this video, I'm demonstrating of charging these two SuperCaps. They're both rated at 2.7 volts, 500 farads each. So the two I'm putting in series is going to give me the sum of 5.4 volts, but then it's going to reduce my capacitance down to 250 farads because they're 50 farads, 2.7 volts each device. So right now I'm charging it with constant voltage. I'm not doing constant current at the moment. I'm just doing constant voltage, which I'm just dumping current into the two SuperCaps. I know there's four, but right now I only have two connected. So that's for a later experiment when I'm going to put two in series and then put each additional cap in parallel with that. So it'll be two in parallel and two in parallel, which will be connecting the two in parallel in series and connecting the two in parallel in series to give me higher capacitance. And so I'm going to go ahead and fire up this drone, and then I'm going to record my time as well. So let's go ahead and turn off the power supply. I'm going to turn on my drone, and then I'm going to start the clock and see how long it lasts. So this requires me switching off the drone real quick just to sync it to the controller. Alright, and there it goes. Alright. As you can see, the drone is getting lower and lower, and now it's making contact with the surface. And so about 30 seconds. Now, mind you, I did not give this a full charge. I gave it about a 3-minute charge. What I'm looking for a full charge is when it gets down to the lowest value on the current on the power supply, so when it gets closer to zero, and then let it sit. You're usually supposed to let it sit at zero for a certain amount of time, like half an hour, but in this case I just did it 3 minutes, and it didn't even make a full charge. And it was like a 3-minute charge and then a 30-second discharge. So that concludes this video. Thank you for your time.